The Cash Flow Challenge. Picture this. Your business just wrapped up a fantastic month. Sales were strong, your bank account is healthy, and you're feeling optimistic. But the very next month, your phone isn't ringing, invoices are slow to be paid, and you're scrambling to cover payroll. This kind of roller coaster is far too common, and not just for startups. Even seasoned business owners face the harsh reality of unpredictable income. The stress of trying to juggle bills, manage vendors, and maintain staff morale while cash flow lags behind can be overwhelming. But here's the good news. This challenge isn't unsolvable. Many businesses, even those with seasonal revenue or client delays, have figured out how to transform financial chaos into a clear, predictable income model. How? By learning how to manage, forecast, and optimize their cash flow with intention. That's what we're here to explore. Because once you understand the mechanics of cash flow and how to harness it, you shift from being at the mercy of your finances to being firmly in control. The cost of inconsistent cash flow. Inconsistent cash flow turns business management into a constant struggle, forcing reactive decisions and missed opportunities. It impacts not just finances, but also mental health, causing stress, burnout, and poor judgment. Essential areas like marketing, staffing, and customer service suffer, and relationships begin to break down. Sadly, many businesses that fail had the potential to thrive, if only they had managed their cash flow better. Why predictable income is essential. A steady income stream changes everything. It lets you breathe easier, think more clearly, and plan more confidently. Instead of surviving month to month, you begin to build something sustainable. With predictable cash flow, you can invest in growth, whether it's a new hire, a marketing push, or launching a new offer. You can pay down debt strategically, boosting your credit profile. You can handle downturns with grace, not panic. And you gain leverage. Vendors are more flexible, lenders more cooperative, and your team more motivated when they sense financial stability. Customers, too, feel that confidence. It creates trust, and trust breeds loyalty. Imagine running your business without that constant low-level hum of financial worry. It's not a fantasy. With the right systems, it's absolutely achievable. Strategies to achieve steady cash flow. Let's break this down into actionable steps, things you can start doing now to build a reliable revenue foundation. First, diversify your income. Relying on a single client, product, or channel leaves you vulnerable. Add layers, retainers, packages, recurring services, digital offers, or consulting. Even small income sources add stability when combined. Second, forecast like your future depends on it, because it does. Create a 12-month rolling cash flow forecast and update it monthly. Know when big bills hit, when income lags, and where gaps may occur. This visibility allows you to prepare, not panic. Third, build a reserve. This is your buffer. During high revenue months, set aside a portion into a separate savings account. Start with 1 month's expenses, then build toward 3 or 6. This isn't just about emergencies, it's about having options. Fourth, negotiate your terms. Ask for deposits upfront or milestone-based billing. Speak to your vendors about extending payable terms. Align cash outflows with inflows, and you'll reduce those stressful squeezes. And fifth, automate your invoicing and follow-ups. Many cash flow issues come down to timing. If your clients pay late, you pay late. So get proactive. Automate reminders. Accept multiple payment methods and make it easier for your clients to pay you on time. Managing cash flow during downturns. Every business experiences slower periods. What sets resilient businesses apart is how they prepare for and respond to them. Start by analyzing your trends. When do sales dip? Why? Use that data to plan your spending, stock levels, and staffing. Adjust before the slow season hits. Then trim the fat. Review your recurring costs, subscriptions, and services. What's essential? What can wait? Offer early payment incentives. A 2% discount might be worth it if it means you get paid 30 days sooner. And finally, find creative ways to generate income during the downturn. Can you offer a seasonal service? Package something digitally? Collaborate with a complementary business? Remember, your business doesn't need to go silent during slow periods. It just needs a different rhythm. Real-world examples of cash flow success. Let's bring this to life with some real stories. A landscaping business faced the usual winter shutdown, but instead of letting their crew go, they added snow removal as a service. They also began offering prepaid seasonal packages, which brought in upfront revenue even before the work began. As a result, they not only kept the team employed, they increased annual profits. Then there's a boutique retailer who depended entirely on walk-in traffic. After launching an online store and promoting limited-time online exclusives, they built a second revenue stream. Now, even during off-peak months, they're generating consistent sales and reaching new customers. These stories show what's possible when you shift from reactive to proactive cash flow strategies. And they're not outliers. They're proof of what's achievable with the right tools and mindset. Cash flow isn't just about numbers, it's about freedom. The freedom to run your business without panic, to invest, to grow, to rest. Building predictable income is a journey, but every step makes a difference. Diversify, forecast, save, automate, negotiate. These are the building blocks of a stable financial foundation. And as you're listening now, maybe something is clicking. Maybe you're realizing this is the next frontier in your business. If that's the case, I invite you to check out a tool called Cash Flow Mojo. It's designed for business owners like you, people ready to create predictable, confident income. You'll find the link in the description and the comments. You don't have to figure it all out on your own. Just take a look. You might find the exact support you've been looking for, because your business deserves to thrive. Not someday, now. Clifford Woods is a business coach and author with a global footprint. From North America to Africa, he's helped business owners bring order to chaos and achieve financial clarity. With a background in business management and decades of real-world experience, Clifford understands the power of cash flow, both as a survival tool and a success driver. His mission is simple: to help small business owners build certainty, confidence, and consistent income. He's seen firsthand what's possible when entrepreneurs get control over their finances, and now he's sharing those lessons with you